Want to know how to perform a quick brainstorming in Kimi AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up kimi.com on your web browser. So once you've opened it up, you should be on this website right here. So now once you're on this website, make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch that. So once you've done all of that, on here you should be seeing new chat, just simply select that. And now once you're on a new chat, here you should be seeing this prompt box right here. So you can just simply brainstorm anything. So you can just simply type this and you can change the model by selecting key 2.5, thinking, agent, or quick response. I would recommend any two of these in order to give you a better reply. So once I click enter, it should give you brainstorming ideas just like this right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.